You give an AI agent a task, it starts working, and then it goes off the rails. It rewrites code it wasn't supposed to touch. It makes assumptions no human would make. It generates output that looks correct but breaks everything downstream. This is the core challenge of agentic AI in 2026. The models are capable, remarkably capable, but capability without control is not production ready. The discipline that solves this problem has a name, and it's the most important concept in AI engineering right now. It's called harness engineering. To understand harness engineering, you need to see where it sits in the evolution of this field. Phase 1 was prompt engineering. Phase 2 was context engineering, curating what goes into the model's context window, relevant files, project rules, and architectural constraints. But in 2026, the challenge has shifted again. The bottleneck is no longer intelligence, it's autonomy, accuracy, and control. That's phase 3. And the core equation is simple. An agent equals a model plus a harness. The model provides the intelligence. The harness makes it reliable. So what exactly is a harness? It is the infrastructure layer that wraps around an AI model to make it reliable in production. It's not the model itself. You're not fine-tuning it. You're building everything around it. Think of the model as a reasoning engine. The harness controls what context the model sees, what tools it can access, what actions are permitted, and how errors are caught. Birgitta Buchler at ThoughtWorks described the harness as having two halves, guides and sensors. Guides are feed-forward. They shape the agent's behavior before it acts. Sensors are feedback. They catch problems after the agent acts and course correct. Both halves are essential. A production-grade harness has 5 layers. Layer 1, tool orchestration. The agent needs tools to act in the world. The harness defines exactly which tools are available and with what permissions. Without this, an agent might rewrite the entire codebase. Layer 2, context and memory. The harness decides what goes into the model's context window at every step. Too much, and you hit context rot, performance degrades. The harness engineers the context deliberately, maintaining a progress state. Layer 3, verification loops. After the agent acts, something needs to check whether the output is correct. This can be deterministic, like running tests, or inferential, using an LLM as judge. Either way, errors are caught inside the loop. Layer 4, guardrails. Non-negotiable boundaries: never delete production data, never call AP is without approval. They make failure mode structurally impossible. Layer 5, observability, logging, tracing, and monitoring. This is what lets you debug agent failures and improve the harness. In March 2026, the LangChain team moved their coding agent from 30th to 5th place on Terminal Bench 2.0, 0 model changes. They optimize the harness. This is the central insight. Every major lab's models are converging in raw capability. The differentiation is how well your harness channels that intelligence. A strong harness turns a capable model into a production system. The harness is your durable investment. When a better model releases, you swap the model layer and keep everything else. This is your moat. There's an important distinction between two types of harness. The inner harness is built by the AI lab that created the model. Claude Code ships with an inner harness, file tools, terminal access, and permission controls, but it's generic. It's for everyone. The outer harness is what your team builds. It encodes your domain knowledge and your reliability standards. That's your engineering moat. Let's get concrete. Pattern 1. Progress state management. The agent reads a progress file at the start of each session. Pattern 2. Context compaction. Between subtasks, the harness compacts history to prevent context rot. Keep it under 40%. Pattern 3. Verification before propagation. No output moves forward without passing a gate. Catch errors inside the loop. Pattern 4. Human in the loop gates. For irreversible actions like data deletion or deployment, the harness pauses for approval. Let's bring it all together. Harness engineering is building the infrastructure that makes agents reliable. Intelligence from the model channeled by the harness. In 2026, this is where the real engineering work is happening. Not in prompts, not in fine-tuning, in the harness. If this was useful, subscribe to Neural Canvas AI for more. The model is the intelligence, the harness is the reliability. Build both.